Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassie here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I take this dress, which, you know, looks all fine and stuff until see down here, this short ass dress, which has shrunk incredibly, but it barely covers my ass, and we're gonna turn it into this. All you'll need is a dress that doesn't fit you, a pair of scissors, and a basic sewing kit. I'm using a basic sewing kit because, you know, most people don't have freaking sewing machines at home, so this is just gonna work fine. It's a little bit of extra work because you have to do it by hand, but you know, it's part of the fun. Pick your color. I'm going to go with I'm just gonna go with black because you cannot go wrong with black. So looking at this dress, I want it to be cut right where this seam is at. There's a line here. I'm gonna cut it slightly below that line. Never mind, the zipper goes all the way down there and we want to maintain the zipper, so never mind. I'm gonna cut it just below the zipper right here. This is in no ways a professional video. This is just me playing around to see if I can fix this dress. If not, then it's fine. All right, time to cut. Oh, actually this is checkered, so I can literally just follow a straight line. You really make me wanna fly. All right, so this is the bottom skirt, which I'm looking at it now and I already know this is not going to be anything unless it's a very short mini skirt. So let's just focus on the top portion. So now we have this little top piece, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it upwards. So I just put the top on just so I could see how high I want it to crop, and I think this length is pretty good because I don't like things that are too cropped or else it shows too much of my belly. Use some pins just to mark this area. Go ahead and thread your needle. Tie a couple knots at the very end of your thread. I'm gonna start sewing, and I'm gonna sew along this seam right here just to kind of hide the current seam, and that'll hold it in place because this piece up top is really high. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Alright, so the dress is way too freaking short, but you know, let's sew it up and just see how it turns out because we might as well use this piece of fabric too. Okay, so with this portion, I sewed up the seam over here, and I sewed it along the black line so you can't really tell. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to cut a tiny little slit right down the center here. When I go to sleep at night. I know the reason why. Alright guys, I hope you guys like the two tops that I made from that one dress. It's always fun to try and recycle old clothes. And comment below, you know, tell me which one you prefer, top number 1 or top number 2. Bye guys, I'll see you guys next time. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope